Today we're going to check out another amazing product from Spigen. This is the S620W Gimbal Selfie Stick Tripod. Oh no, this is not just another tripod. The selfie stick tripod has an included detachable LED fill light and a face tracking function. So it's a gimbal, face tracking, and included LED light. And I would like to thank Spigen for sending this product for the purpose of this review. Now let's check what's in the box. Right here is the included 21-inch USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Please note that the power adapter is not included. This is the multi-language user manual, and I highly recommend that you give this a read because this contains information and instruction on how to use this device. Now let's check this gimbal selfie stick tripod. Right here is the rechargeable magnetic fill light, and you can charge this through the USB-C port. And there are two buttons at the top, one for power and one for mode. Just press and hold the power button to turn it on and off, and use the mode button to change the brightness. It also has a built-in magnet, one at the back and one at the bottom, which makes it easy to attach and detach it from your selfie stick tripod. I turned off some of my studio lighting so I can give you a better idea on how bright this LED light is. And pressing the mode button will adjust the brightness of this LED light. And this has 3 levels of brightness. And by giving the power button a normal push, it will cycle to all 7 different colors. And make sure you keep watching to see the demonstration on how important this LED light is, especially when you're recording in poor lighting conditions. This gimbal selfie stick is mostly made of plastic, but it doesn't look cheap. It is made of polycarbonate and ABS plastic material, so you can expect durability. But this part of the selfie stick that extends is made of aluminum, and it can extend up to 24 inches. But if you will include the tripod, total length would be at least 30 inches. And since it's using an aluminum material, it's light and it will not bend or flex easily. And it also has a mounting screw at the bottom, so you can mount this on the tripod. It also comes with a wireless Bluetooth remote control, and this remote can control the gimbal function and also recording or taking pictures, and it also uses CR1632 battery as power source. I like that they place a quick reference guide right behind the remote. This will come in handy if you're trying to find instruction on how to make a function work. The mechanism of this selfie stick tripod is very straightforward, but the two main electronic function of this selfie stick is located at the clamp. On one side, we will find the face tracking sensor, and next to it is the power button that has a light indicator. And on the other side is the USB-C charging port, and also the lock button that keeps this clamp from rotating. And this clamp extends up to 3.2 inches, which is perfect for iPhone Pro Max, which is the one I'm using. And to demonstrate the gimbal function, let's turn it on by holding the power button until we hear a beep. And you can see the blue light indicator from the power button, confirming that the gimbal function is enabled and it's currently on horizontal mode. And by pressing the power button again, we'll turn the gimbal into horizontal mode, and you can see how accurate the gimbal works, and the phone's horizontal position stays in place. And this is how I set up the selfie stick tripod if I want to use it for face tracking, and also to show you the rest of its mechanism. After setting up the tripod legs, make sure that the clamp is facing the same direction as the LED light. By the way, the head where the clamp is attached can rotate 360 degrees on both directions and can also tilt up and down on 3 different settings. Now to position it for face tracking, push the neck far to the side where it's facing up, and then adjust the clamp head to horizontal position. Now you can mount the phone on the top, whether horizontal or vertical. Now let me show you how the face tracking works. Let's hold on to the power button to turn it on, and we can see the blue light indicator. And now pressing it again, and the light will turn green. It means that the face tracking is now enabled. And you can see how it's tracking my movements now, and even at this distance, the tracking still works. And you can also enable and disable face tracking using hand gestures. I intentionally increased the speed of this video so you can see the accuracy of the gimbal at work. You can compare the frame on the iPhone, the frame on the overlay, and you can see that it's the exact same video, but you won't see any shake or movements, and the frame stays in place. This gimbal selfie stick has a lot to offer. With its face tracking function, you can be a one-man production team. And with the included magnetic LED fill light, you don't have to worry about having dark footages in your recording. And it's so compact that it can easily fit in your pocket. So guys, this is the S620W Gimbal Selfie Stick Tripod from Spigen. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.